Welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial handling multiple files part 2, you are going to learn that how to read data from multiple files. So in part 1, you have learned that how to create data into multiple files and also how to read data into the files as a column wise. So this tutorial is dedicated to read data from multiple files and also so let's do it. For reading multiple files we should have a set of files in your directory already present. So in my case I have a file name my underscore file underscore 0 1 2 3 4 and up to 9 CSV. So total I have 10 files and each file contains some data. You can see that it contains some column 1 2 3. So this we have to read it. So let's do it. Okay, so first import your library. So import library. You can import numpy as np. Import numpy as np. So this will take care of your array, and then you want your file to read. Okay, so for reading multiple files, so use for loop to read multiple files. So we have 10 files. Okay, so 10 files. So for that type here command for I in range of 10 because you have 10 files, so 10 for that, and then type in the then type after that tab np dot gen from text, and then you can pass your string as a file name f, and then pass your my underscore file, and then underscore curly bracket I for indexing, and then give your extension as CSV. Okay, and then you can pass that how delimiter, I mean how your data are separated. So in my case they are separated by comma. Okay, so this much you have done. Now you need to append your file in a single array. So append your file in single array. Okay, so for that create here empty array and call it as all. You can call it as all file or underscore file and empty array. So now you need to append your all files in the single file. So for that type all file dot append, and then you can give your file name. Okay, so you can give your file name. So just put it here, the whole syntax. So now our job is done, and run the code. I have run the code and my job is done successfully. So now you can check it as all file that what it is returning. Okay, so here print all file name. Okay, so for that type all file. Okay, now run it. Okay, so here you can see that you have all files from 0 to 9, and it is a total of 10 files. So this way you can read your file from the for loop command. Okay, you can also read the data if you want. So for that, okay, so read data from all files. Okay, so for that, just here type data equal to and pass here data. Okay, now run it and then run the second cell. Okay, so here you can see that here's your data from the all files. First file, then second file. So this way you can print it. Okay, it contains data from the all files. So I hope you got the idea that how to read multiple files and data from the files. So in our part third tutorial, I am going to show you that how to extract every column from the every files and how to plot as a graph. So thank you.